Here is a simple moral story in English about wasting time, written with easy words for learners. The Lazy Boy and the Time. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Rohan. He always said, "I will do it tomorrow." He never did his homework on time. He never cleaned his room. He always played video games and watched TV. One day, his teacher said, "Rohan, your exam is next week. Start studying now." Rohan said, "I still have time. I will study later." The days passed quickly. Suddenly, it was exam day. Rohan was not ready. He did not know the answers. He failed the exam. He felt very sad. He said, "I wish I had not wasted my time." From that day, Rohan changed. He made a timetable. He studied every day and did his work on time. In the next exam, he passed with good marks. Moral: time is precious. Don't waste it. Please give the feedback for the story, and please comment how will I help you for Learn English. If you want Learn English in just simple steps, please subscribe this channel at Grandpaa 786 on YouTube. Thanks for your love.